Hey, what's up? It's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name's Kristen and I am a makeup artist. I am specifically Kelsy Karter's makeup artist. She is one of my best friends and a client. We work together all the time. If I'm not doing her makeup, she's usually doing it herself. It's very rare that we don't work together on things. And this video is a behind the scenes of Stick to Your Guns from my point of view. The music video just came out, dropped with the song. It's amazing. Check it out. Over on her channel, over on her Instagram, on iTunes. So this is just a little BTS that I took that day. My God.
Oh my God.
We are in a fucking boat. As a makeup artist, while on set, we did something a little bit different. If you're a Kelsy Karter fan, hello, I'm her makeup artist and friend. You know that her signature look is a winged liner. We did not do a wing liner for this music video, which I was very excited. I was like, yes, let's go. We've nailed the liner. Let's get some sparkle. Let's get some sass going on those eyes, which we did. We used the Tati Beauty palette and some Shiseido Kajal pencils on the lid. You will see in the time lapse. We used some Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics highlight, and we also used Patrick Ta Beauty highlighting mist. Highlighting mist is Kelsey's and my favorite way to highlight until recently. Actually, now it's the Iconic London original, just FYI. But we do love a highlighting mist, so that is what she's got as glow on her face. She has a little bit of sparkle, which is from the Tati palette, and a Shiseido or a Dew popped right on the lid. What else did we use? We used a lot of different things that day. Because I am a friend and also her makeup artist, I get to do a lot of other cool stuff. I got to rent the car, and her assistant Bianca and I drove the car to all the shoots. It was a boat. It was a Cadillac. I'm not sure what, Eldorado? Cadillac. It was big car. Okay, anyway, getting off on a tangent. So I got to do that. We drove out to Lancaster to film the music video. We were there all day. The sun was going down sooner back in February, so sunset was around 5:30, and that's when we got the golden hour shot. It was so cool, so beautiful. She looked amazing. Fun fact though, in the time lapse that you're going to see, you'll see me baking. I wish I had not baked her that day. We wiped her face clean. She only had her eyes on. We redid her entire face on set there in the desert and didn't use any powders after that. She looked awesome. I was so excited how it turned out. We used all individual lashes. They just make your eyes look so much more fluttery and romantic, and this was a little bit more of that feel. The song was really meaningful, and I wanted her to look a little more romantic on the face, so that's why we went with an individual lash. We actually worked last week, but you'll see it's coming. All the things, they're coming. I'm so excited. My God.
Oh my God.
We are in a fucking boat.
A boat.
A boat. Boats and hoes. We'll just be here riding.
I feel tiny. I feel so...
on set. Been here for a minute. We're not here for a long time. We're here for a good time. Right, B? Okay, we're out here. Lancaster / Palmdale, not clear where exactly we are, but we are in the middle of nowhere. And this is my kit that I literally run up to Kelsy with while she is doing this single take. We've got suntan lotion. Never go wrong. J-Lo's makeup artist uses this, so we use this. Scott Barnes, shout out to you. We've got her RCMA. I can literally walk up to her. She touches her hair so much, so she always has like a crown of empty.
Is it better than the other way?
We are wrapped. Yes, it was better.
Okay.
Look at this sun, bitch. Yes. Oh, no big deal.
Just me and my looks.
Just finished.
Rad and dirty.
Not
really
dirty
at all.
No,
We're wrapped.
We're
Wrapped. But that doesn't mean it's over. Still got an hour-long drive home. In this. Oh my god. There's a filter on it, Bianca. Okay. We're about to. We've got our blanket. We are all cozy because we're about to make the hour-and-a-half trek back to Hollywood in our boat. Bye, sweet boat. It's been so fun. Yeah. Good boat. You've been a good boat. So, I hope you guys, this is Finn, my dog. Tell them why you're barking at Mom. Do you need to go? We've got a lot more cool stuff coming. She just shot like 3 music videos and a bunch of content, which I did the makeup for, so stay tuned. And make sure to check out the actual music video. Stick to your guns and download the song, because it's great. And it won't be in this video, unfortunately, because girls signed to a major label. I don't have the rights for that, okay? Or the money.